I recently got a new MacBook and I was trying to install MetaTrader 5 in order to trade my Forex Funds account on the laptop. When I was trying to do this, the server wasn't connecting. So open up here is Forex Funds MetaTrader 5. Now if you open up normal MetaTrader 5, try and log in here, what will happen is the server will just constantly try and connect. So in order to get around this, what I've done, I've got these pinned on the start bar. What you want to do is right click, open file locations, and then this window will open up. You want to do the same again. You'll get this window here with all the files stored. You then want to do the same again for the MetaTrader 5 platform. Right click, open file location. Now if you click on config, you'll see the server and the terminal files in there. Do the same for the Forex Funds platform. You'll see the two files are different sizes. Now what you want to do is the two files that are here from the Forex Funds platform, you want to copy these and then send them to your MacBook Pro. So now we're on the MacBook. What you want to do is you want to go onto your browser, search for MetaTrader 5 download for Mac, click on the install for Mac OS, and then download this file here. It's a standard MacBook install, so I'm not going to explain that. Once you have it installed, you want to open up MetaTrader 5. So normally this is the screen that you'll have open when you get MetaTrader. And if you try and log in here, it will not work. It'll just do the same thing. It'll try and connect to the server and you won't get anywhere. So what you want to do is go File, click here, and it will open up this window. And then you'll get, if you go on config, you will see the server files here. Now what you want to do is once you've sent the files to yourself, you want to put the two files into your documents folder like this. That means you can access them from this panel. Now once they're moved to the documents folder, you'll be able to see them here. What you would do is copy these files, go back to the Forex Funds, the MetaTrader 5 folder, delete the two files that are in here already, and then paste over the files that you copied from my documents. Once you've done this, you want to just close down MetaTrader, open it back up, and then try logging into your Forex Funds account, and this should work.